y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess. We are doing hashtag store to garden grow with Luann's Kitchen and Blackberry Rock Homestead. This is an open collaboration, and y'all, we went to the Amish community and we picked up some beautiful garlic. This is elephant garlic, and it's got little seed garlic starting to form down here on the roots as well as inside the garlic head. I've separated some of these already. This is one garlic clove, y'all. This thing is huge. Look at it. I'll put it this way, you get an idea. So I'm going to finish peeling off the outer papers. This one I'm working on. I've got a few more to peel off, and then I'm going to go outside and plant it. So I'm out here at the Grow Big TV pepper bed with the Peter peppers, and something's been eating on my peppers. And I've planted some sweet basil in here and cilantro. They're both companion plants. I've planted some marigolds in here that haven't started blooming yet. So I decided I'm going to companion plant some of this giant elephant garlic also. And I didn't bring my gloves or anything out here, but I'm just going to dig down in the soil and get this thing in the ground. And hopefully this will stop whatever is eating on our plants. It's a good companion plant for a lot of plants. And I don't have my stool out here today either, folks, so I'm going to be maneuvering my camera so that you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. Now, most of my beds have onions planted, but I thought I would go ahead and get some of this garlic in here as well. And these are some big garlic heads. Got some weeds in here, and I think I can get one in here, right over here by the plant. We have a lot of garlic left. Let's go plant. Yesterday afternoon, my husband and I came out here, filled up these fire rings out in the big garden area. These are banana peppers. I've got peppers on the plants already. And I want to put some of these garlic in here to kind of deter any rabbits or anything that might want to be eating on my pepper plants. And I've got 2 beds of these, so I'm going to go ahead and get these planted. And I use, this is composted horse manure, and the bottom layer is straw. So I'm just going to go around and place some garlic here and there in this bed and get a couple of them up in the middle as well. That will help deter the animals. It is a companion plant for peppers, and I want a big healthy crop. So I'm going to move to the other side and get those done as well. So we looked out on this garlic. These are what I call garlic seeds. I'm going to show you a few of them in my hand. They're little baby garlic cloves or bulbs that are beginning to sprout on the other garlic. So I'm just going to go ahead and plant some of these. I've got a lot of them. And then I'll have a few bulbs left to plant in other places in the garden. Now these bulbs get quite big, so I don't want to plant them too close together. But I do want to plant them with the pointy end up. And these will grow a little bit slower than the other garlic. The other garlic is a good size, so it'll take off, and these will take a little bit longer to grow. one over here. I'm going to get as many in as I can reach. I got one laying right beside the plant. I'll plant that right there. So I'm going to finish planting this out, and we should have a good garlic crop, but it's protecting my pepper plants from things like rabbits. Thank you, my friends, for watching. This is hashtag Store to Garden Grow, hosted by Luann's Kitchen and Blackberry Rock Homestead. I will put the playlist in the description box below. It is an open collaboration. You can jump on. It ends probably at the end of the garden season. So y'all need to get in here and get some gardening done. Thank you for watching.